rock siya. Igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic?
Sedimentary.
Ah?
Sedimentary.
Sedimentary. Meaning, made up of?
Made of sand.
Yes. So this is? Oh, sediment siya. Made up of sediment. So siya ay limestone.
The size is boulder size.
Good job. Correct.
Boulders na yan.
Oh.
Yan dito yung ginagano, no?
Eh, yun na nga.
Boulder.
Oo, yun na oh.
Kaya pag kaya nasa...
Boulder na yan. Oh, yun sa rock-climbing ka mo. Limestone. O, tama nga.
Limestone is white because of the backbone of the sea